Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of Knowledge Sharing. Before I continue, like and follow our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment and share video for more interesting topics. Today we are looking at this question and it says, solve for the value of a in a to the power of 3 plus 5a equals to 42. So in this situation, we are going to solve for the value of a. So we have here solution. We are given a to the power of 3 plus 5a equals to 42. So when we have a situation like this, we need to move the constant to the left hand side. So we have here a to the power of 3 plus 5a minus 42 equals to 0, because 42 moved to this other side will become minus 42. So here we have a to the power of 3, which is a cubic equation, and we look for a way for us to find another value that is raised to the power of 3. So in this case, we need to further simplify the 42 into, so we have here 42 will be equals to 27 plus 15. So here, this will be minus 27 minus 15. So in this case, we have a to the power of 3 plus 5a minus 27 minus 15 equals to 0. 27, we all know that 27 equals to 3 to the power of 3. So here will become a to the power of 3 plus 5a minus 3 to the power of 3 minus 15 equals to 0. And we will call it like terms, that is bringing the power of 3 together. So this will become a to the power of 3 minus 3 to the power of 3 plus 5a minus 15 equals to 0. We have seen that a to the power of 3 minus 3 to the power of 3 is the same thing as a minus 3 into a to the power of 2 plus 3 times a plus 3 to the power of 2. Then we have here plus 5a minus 15 equals to 0. So this is what we have. So this is the same thing as a minus 3 into a to the power of 2. We have plus 3 times a is same thing as 3a plus 3 to the power of 2 is 9. Then we have bring down plus 5a minus 15 equals to 0. In this case, we have 5a minus 15. And between here, 5 is a factor between 5a and minus 15. So this will become a minus 3 into a to the power of 2 plus 3a plus 9. Then this will become plus 5 into 5a divided by 5 will give us a. Then minus 15 divided by 5 will give us minus 3, all equals to 0. So you can see that we have this parenthesis here, a minus 3, and also we have a minus 3. So they are common. We can factor it out. So taking a minus 3, the whole of here divided by a minus 3 will give us a to the power of 2 plus 3a plus 9. Then the whole of here divided by a minus 3 will give us plus 5, all equals to 0. We have two parentheses here. It is either the first one equals to 0 or the second one equals to 0. Therefore, taking the first one, a minus 3 equals 0, or we have a to the power of 2 plus 3a plus we have 9 plus 5, which is 14, all will be equal to 0. This equals to 0 or this equals to 0. In this case, our value of a in this case will be equals to 3, because minus 3 will transpose into this other side. So we will have value of a equals to 3. And this one, we have a to the power of 2 plus 3a plus 14 equals to 0. It's a quadratic equation. And for us to find the value of a in this case, we are going to use a quadratic formula for us to find the value of a. So in this case, quadratic formula is in the form ax to the power of 2 plus bx plus c equals to 0. And we have the quadratic formula as x equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So in this case, our value of a equals to 1. and our value of B equals to 3. Then our value of C equals to 14 by comparing this with this. So here, our X will be equals to minus B, which is minus 3, plus or minus square root of B squared, which is 3 to the power of 2 minus 4 times A, which is 1, times C, which is 14, then all over 2 times 1. So in this case, our value of X equals to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 9 minus, we have 4 times 14, which will give us 56 all over 2. So in this case, we have value of X equals to minus 3 plus or minus square root of, we have 9 minus 56 will give us minus 47 all over 2. Okay, here we have is going to be value of A, because in this case we are looking for the value of A in this equation. So all here will be A and here will be A, because we are looking for the value of A from this equation. Even here, the quadratic formula will be equal to A. Sorry for using X. So here, this is the same thing as the value of A will be minus 3 plus or minus square root of 47 times square root of minus 1 all over 2. In this case, our value of A will be equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 47I, because square root of minus 1 is imaginary number, which is iota, and is I. So this is all over 2. So in this case, this is the solution for A, and we have two solutions in this solution. So A will be A2, because here is A1. A2 will be equal to minus 3 plus square root of 47I all over 2, and our A3 will be equal to minus 3 minus square root of 47I all over 2. So in this case, we have the value of A2 and A3 contain imaginary number, so they are not real root for this solution, so it is not acceptable. The only real root of this solution is A1, which is the value of A equals to 3. So this is the only solution that we are going to take. But for us to continue, we are going to do a little check for us to see our value of A, which is equals to 3, can satisfy this. So we are going to substitute the value of A into our equation. Our question that was given, that we are going to do a little check. So we have here check A to the power of 3 plus 5A equals to 42 at A equals to 3, because our value of A equals to 3. So substituting the value of A equals to 3 into this, so we have 3 to the power of 3 plus 5 times 3 equals to 42. So 3 to the power of 3 is 27, plus 5 times 3 we have 15 equals to 42. When we add these two, we have 42 on the left hand side, and we also have 42 on the right hand side. What we have here equals to what we have here. It satisfies this question that was asked. If you like what we're doing here, follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments, and share our video for more interesting topics. Thank you.